Make a great choice today with the 2016 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, air conditioning, automatic transmission, front wheel drive, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, compass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.